kaibigan ay magkaharap ang dalawang weekly finalists. Ang defending champion na si John Carlo Comendador. Naalala niyo ba?
Yesterday.
Yeah,
Mananalo ngayon, tatanggap ng 30,000 pesos, ha? Dahil weekly, ha?
At para tulungan tayong mamili ng champion, kasama natin ang one of the country's pop icons, Gino Padilla.
You know.
Yeah, Gino.
Hi, kamusta po? Magandang po sa kanilang lahat. Nice to be here. Sir Joey, Alan K, Bossing. And
Yeah,
Tito Sen.
Welcome back.
Okay.
Thank you.
At,
Alan Bangs.
Huwag ka nga.
Alan Bangsa.
Unang magpapakitang gilas ang
Oy!
mga humamon sa ating champion.
Hey,
Ang humamon.
ay, isang linggong hindi lumamon.
Oy! Bilat na mata niyan.
Contestant number one.
Oy!
From Marikina City, 11 years old, Aiko Takagi.
Uy,
Hapon, ha?
Japanese.
Nanjin.
Si Aiko po, bilang anak, katulad na isang tipikal na bata, may kakulitan.
Ako po si Aiko Nergy Takagi, 11 years old, from Marikina City. Ako po ay isang masayahin na bata. Saka po, mahilig po ako kumain eh.
Pag wala po siyang pasok, pag Saturday, nagbabanding po kami sa labas, kumakain, game center.
Mahilig din po akong maglaro. Ang paborito ko pong sport ay volleyball.
Kahit hectic ang schedule, nagagawa niya pa rin ibalanse yung pag-aaral niya.
Nagmana po ako ng aking pagkanta kina mama at papa. Nagsimula po akong kumanta noong mga 8 years old po ako.
Kaya, Be, galingan mo ha. Proud na proud kami sa'yo. God bless you.
Kaya mas gagalingan ko pa po para ako po ang maging bagong kampiyon ng Lola's Playlist Beat the Champion.
When I think of home, I think of a place where there's love overflowing. I wish I was home, I wish I was back there with the things I've been knowing. With that makes the tall trees bend and so leaning. Suddenly, the snowflakes that fall have a meaning, sprinkling the sea makes it all clear. There's a chance for me to go back now that I have some direction. Oh, it should be nice to be back home where there's love and affection. Living here in this brand new world might be a fantasy, but it taught me to love. So it's real to me. And I've learned that we must look inside our hearts to find a world full of love. Life goes like Thank you po.
Home.
Mahosay. Thank you, Aiko.
Contestant number 2, mga kaibigan. Awitin naman niya ang cheese para home and cheese. Okay, mula sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. 9 years old, Liza Larida. Liza?
Ako po si Eliza Day Villarida, 9 years old, nakatira sa Santo Tomas, Batangas. sa Lola's Playlist, sobrang tuwang-tuwa po ako kasi gusto ko pong maging singer at syempre, para maging proud po ang mami at daddy ko.
2 years old pa lang yan, nakita ko na meron talaga siyang talento sa pagkanta. Nung marinig po ng mga tiyuhin ko, yung boses niya, nasabi po nila na talagang manang-mana daw po talaga yun sa lolo ko sa tuhod.
Pag narito po ako sa bahay, mahilig po akong maglaro ng badminton kasamang mga kaibigan ko at magbasa.
Kaya namang proud na proud ako sa kanya. Magaling na siya kumanta, magaling pa rin siya sa school. Anak, sa laban mong ito, galingan mo, magtiwala ka sa Diyos na makakaya mo yan. Good luck.
Don't tell me what to say. Kaya gagawin ko po ang best ko para ako po ang maging next champion dito sa Lola's Playlist. Don't own me. I'm not just one of your many dolls. Don't own me. Don't say I can go with other boys. And don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say. And please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. 'Cause you don't own me. Don't try to change me in any way. You don't own me. Don't tie me down. I will never stay. And don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say. And please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. And don't tell you what to say. I don't tell you what to do. So just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. And don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say. And please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. And don't tell you what to say. I don't tell you what to do. So just let me be myself. That's all I ask of you. I'm young and I love to be free. And I love to be free to live my life the way I want. Then do whatever I please. You don't own me.
Thank you, Liza. Thank you.
Eto na ang ating champion.
Hoy!
Para i-defend ang kanyang titulo, ang kakantayin niya ay ang 1971 hit ni Neil Sedaka.
Hoy! Taga-call center
Gusto niyo
yan.
yun, ha? Yeah. Neil Sedaka, okay sa inyo, ha? Okay. Narito na ang Lola's Playlist champion, John Carlo Comendador. Our Lola's Playlist Beat the Champion winner is...
You are my destiny.
Etong defending champion natin, nagulat ako na parang professional. Ibig sabihin lang noon, very bright ang future ng Philippine music industry. Pag ganitong kagagaling.
That's what you are. Round and round I go in circles, trying to be free. Since you went away, the world is closing in on me. Every day I face tomorrow, know you'll be there. I see your face in every little thing we used to share. The memory of you is everywhere. And my world keeps getting smaller every day. I run, but I can't run away. You're with me everywhere I go. And I find you're in my heart and in my mind. There's no place left on earth to stay. My world gets smaller every day. Keeps getting smaller every day. I run, but I can't run away. You're with me everywhere I go. And I find you're in my heart and in my mind. There's no place left on earth to stay. My world gets smaller every
Thank you.
Bravo! Bravo!
Giancarlo. Bababa rin ang boses mo.
Inom ka maraming yelo.
Alam niyo ba yan si Nate Sidaka? Yan anak ni MC Hammer.
Talaga?
Bakit? Nate Sidaka, MC Hammer.
Hammer and nail.
Oo, kaya pala.
Alamin nga natin ba sasabi ng ating judge? Mr. Gino Padilla?
Yung una pa lang.
Nako talaga ang gagaling. Magagaling talaga. And syempre, alam mo, yung number one na napansin ko, yung mga materials nila, bagay sa kanila. Pero syempre, depende na lang yan sa projection nyo, sa stage, and projection ng mga bosses nyo. And you try to hit the notes and yung mga diction nyo, you keep it under control. And I think you're gonna go places. Napakahusay ng mga bata ngayon. Sa
Alright.
bata, 11 years old, 9 years old.
Yeah.
Best of luck sa
Thank
inyo.
you.
Yes.
Thank you, Gino. Thank you very much.
Sige po.
Mr. Gino Padilla, mamaya malalaman natin kung na-defend ni Giancarlo ang kanyang titulo o magkakaroon tayo ng bagong kampiyon. Bagong champion. Bunot!
Basta ito, bagong bunot to.
Bunot! Hola!